Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
One disadvantage of using the autofix commands is you lose some control over the final outcome. Elements offers several manual commands that give you more precise and sometimes subtle control over the outcome of your images. If you have a picture that is either under or overexposed, you can adjust the lighting with shadows and highlights. To use this command, select Enhance, Adjust Lighting, Shadows/Highlights from the menu bar. Make sure the Preview checkbox is marked so you can view the adjustments before committing to them. When the dialog box appears, Elements will apply automatic corrections. You can then make further adjustments by moving the sliders or entering values for light and shadows, dark and highlights, and mid-tone contrast. When you are done, click the OK button.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.